Buenos días o buenas tardes, muchachos. Hoy es jueves, el 5 de noviembre. Our goal today, muchachos, again, is we want to increase our confidence level, and that's something we're actually going to track today with entry and exit tickets. So we want to make sure we're increasing that confidence through some specific practice that is going to hopefully fulfill our goal. All right. So if you haven't turned in the project, please do. Okay, right here. Even if it's for late credit, please turn that in so we don't get a 0, so we can still get some credit out of that. We want to start with el boleto de entrada. So what we're going to see there is a couple of questions. First is, what is your confidence level? So we're going to see if we can get that to go up, whatever it is. If you're like, ooh, right now it's a 5, right? Hopefully by the end it'll be an 8 or something like that, right? And then 2 questions. What concept are you confident in? You can select all that apply. You can do all of them or none of them. And the same goes for what concept are you not confident in. So let me know that. Yes, we're going to leave. So we're going to do our estaciones de repaso. In class, we're kind of breaking up into groups and kind of not physically shifting, but just shifting what we're doing. You can do the same. You can even change the order of this if you want to do something, do that, or you want to do Quizlet first and then Conjuguemos and then Estudio Libre, whatever it might be. But spend 10 minutes on each. So spend 10 minutes with Conjuguemos working on Tener. Spend 10 minutes doing something on the Quizlet that's just going through it, or you can make it a test. It'll do test questions, or you can do the games that go along with it. Okay, and lastly, Estudio Libre, as a reminder, there is an examen de práctica, practice test that you can take as many times as you need to. Okay, that'll have test-like questions that'll be fairly similar to what you'll see on the test mañana. When you end up at the end, okay, make sure you do the boleto de salida. That'll be checking your confidence level. We'll see if that goes up, and then give me any last second questions. I will answer those directly to your It's Learning messages. Okay, it does ask for your email, so I'll know who is sending that question. If you don't want me to know who's sending the question, okay, put that in the anonymous questions that doesn't ask for your email or your name, and I will answer that in the Google Doc. Okay, so I want to make sure all questions can get answered in different forms. Okay, remember there is this Guía de Estudio. I didn't have that at the beginning yesterday. I added it later, but this will kind of give you an idea of the things that you'll need to know in order to be successful. So that's one way, especially when you get to Estudio Libre. If there's 1 or 2 things that maybe you are not comfortable with this list, you may want to focus on those things during Estudio Libre. If you're feeling good about most or all of these, then we can do some of that overall review. Maybe the practice test will be helpful for us. All right. Buena suerte, muchachos. We have a test mañana. We want to be ready for that.